and welcome to my channel. This video is slightly different in that it's all about a mal that I am joining in with, and that's the Get Your Kit Off that Anne from Spa Knits or No Excuses podcast is running. I have quite a few kits that I want to complete and finish. Some have started or bits of them have been. So I'm going to insert a little video of all the kits that I plan to make during this mal. And you can then see what I'm planning to make. And please leave in the comments if you are joining in and what you're planning to use as well. This is where I keep my kits that I plan to use. This is my shelf and I'm going to get my kit off. So I keep them behind these. Now this one I bought quite recently. It's a snowflake, but I still haven't made it, so I really do want to make that one. And then I've got my two Advent kits that I'm going to start in July, but I keep all my kits together, so they're on that shelf. Now, a couple of years ago, I subscribed to the Craft Pod, and every quarter you got a beautiful box with several different projects in, and I have made a few, and I have also not made a few, so those are in there. I'll show you those in a minute. And I have a kit here that several years ago I had an advent calendar from Crafty Clegs. It was really nice, all sorts of different crafts, so I still haven't made that mushroom, but also I think I've got some other kits in there as well. And the very last kit I got at Wonderwall, and it's a macrame shelf, and I'm hoping to make that because I'd like to hang it up in the pod if I can, if it's not too tall. Right, let's have a look what are in these other kits. Let's start with the craft pods first. Like I say, I have done some of these things. So that's an embroidery. Quite happy to do that. It's pretty, isn't it? And in the next one, I think I've taken the zip out of this. Oh no, it's still in there, and I've got all the shreds. That's good. And that's to make an embroidered zip pouch. That's nice as well. They're all beautiful projects. I just haven't got round to doing them. And this isn't a craft pod one, crafted by Kerry. I had this in my Secret Santa in work a few years ago, and it's to make macrame key rings. I haven't got round to it yet, so I can make 3 of those. And the projects in here, let's have a look. This is one of Crafty Flags ones, and it is to make something from Emma Jones from the vintage sewing box, and it's to make a pincushion. I really should do that. I'll enjoy that. She uses lots of English paper piecing, tiny pieces. I quite enjoy English paper piecing. I'm not so sure about that. It's not really to my taste, those what they call something puffs. Fabrics are nice. Perhaps I can use them for something else. And then the last thing, I can't remember what this is. Oh, it's the mushroom, so that is there. I knew I hadn't done it. So that's that on the front. So this little lot's going to keep me busy for a while, isn't it? So I hope you enjoyed that. The first kit I'm going to make is this one. They're all underneath you on the shelf. And it is a macrame hanging shelf that I bought at Wonderwall a couple of years ago. I have already stained the shelf and the little pole. So today I'm hoping to do the macrame bit. Thanks for watching, and I shall see you in my next video.